Hello, thank you so much for coming. And today I am working on short hair, 5-inch long, the way you're seeing, and I will moisturize her scalp using this castor oil just for comfort during braiding and after the braiding process. Okay, so in this video you will learn a simple technique that will guide you when you're braiding to get proportion straight parts, whether you're doing small or medium-sized braids, twist out or dreadlocks. And also I'm gonna break it down for you how many strands you can get from each line individually, and I will be parting medium-sized sections. Okay, so now since I'm moisturizing her scalp, this will help to reduce tension and breakage. You know that, right? And braiding always put tension on the scalp. So moisturizing before makes the scalp flexible and protect edges and sensitive areas. So stick around. I will see you when I begin to cornrow. Okay. I am still here with you. Thank you so much for watching up to this point so that you can understand what I'm trying to let you learn with me today, step by step. And here behind the head or behind the ear, and since her hair is not that thick, I'm gonna do 3 lines despite 4 lines if you have super thick hair, and if you have thin hair, again 3 lines gonna be perfect behind the ear. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful to you. So stick around to confirm how many strands goes on each line. Okay, so don't forget, I'll be doing the medium-sized braids, and if these add value to you, you can you can give this video a thumbs up, comment below the video and let me know your feedback about this, okay? So doing this pre-parting, I'll section my parting into 3, okay? And we're gonna see all that. And now I'm almost done with the first section, which is behind the head or behind the ear. And then from here we're gonna do the middle part, and then lastly we're gonna do the crown part, okay? So that is how I've divided this pre-parting into 3. And once you're done with braiding, once I'm done doing this cornrow behind the head, so from here you have 2 options, okay? So you can continue until you get to the top, but I do love this shortcut that you're seeing, and I will just go ear to ear, and I'm gonna get 4 equal lines at this point before getting to the crown. So I'll see you again when I'm braiding. I'll see you when I'll start to cornrow at the crown part, okay? I'm still here with you again. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. So since I divided my pre-parting into 3 sections, so we've done the first section that is behind the head, we had the middle part, and lastly the crown part. Okay, so after the 4 lines in the middle section, at this section now, I will have the inner line. I do hope you can see that, and that will help to balance braids at the crown part, where I will have 4 lines again. So I do have 2 on the right side and 2 on the left side, the way you're seeing. So this is so beautiful, and that is how I did the pre-parting. Yeah, so with a gel, I remember a little is small. Okay, and this is braiding molding gel, and it is not the styling gel. Okay, so they are very different, playing different roles. So braiding gel creates a neater and long-lasting style while protecting your natural hair. And on my first line here now, I will have 4 strands, and this is the ultimate guide that will help you if you're having problems with parting and getting even section for braids, and that is how you achieve uniform strands. And it took me 8 hours to achieve this hairstyle. So you can guess how many strands I'm gonna get on my second line. So it's an odd number. Yeah, so I hope you get it right. Yeah, so keep guessing until we finish, and let me know in the comment section how many you got it right. Okay,